Welcome to the Lifeline series. We're going to start with Lifeline Prelude. One coat of Prelude Clear Wood Primer fills the pores of the wood and provides a surface that enables you to obtain a more uniform finish color over the entire home. Prelude is ideal for both interior and exterior wood surfaces. Prelude Clear Wood Primer also contains UV Boost for added UV protection. Prelude is a primer and should never be used as a final finish, and is also for use exclusively with Lifeline wood finishes. This product is available in a 5-gallon pail, a 1-gallon pail, and also, like everything, free samples. Surface preparation. All surfaces should be free from discolorations and contaminants, including media grit, dirt, dust, grade wood, mold and mildew, old finishes, water repellents, and wax. Borate applications must be accomplished before applying Prelude. If more than a week has passed since the exterior has been cleaned or borate treated, wash down the surface of the logs with a solution of log wash. Rinse well and allow to dry before applying Prelude. Application. Stir thoroughly before and regularly during use. Prelude can be applied with a brush or airless sprayer. Do not apply when the surface temperature is below 40 degrees Fahrenheit or above 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not apply to hot surfaces or in direct sunlight. Although Prelude is clear, back brushing is required to work the product into the wood and to assure complete coverage of the surface. Once Prelude has dried, typically 2 to 4 hours depending on weather conditions, you'll be ready to apply any water-based Lifeline brand stain. Follow the product application directions when applying any stain. Prelude is a primer sealer and is not suitable as a clear final finish. See Lifeline Advance if you would like to achieve that result. As always, please take a minute, like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It really helps us out a lot. Thank you.